Alright, hey y'all, it's your girl Kelly Top Black back with another YouTube video. So I know you guys have heard about the famous hair paint waxes that turn your hair from, black to whatever color you buy. I have them myself. I have the gold, purple, and blue. However, these can get really expensive for like the good ones, and if you want to get like a gang of colors, you might not want to spend all that. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own using two things. Some gel, which you can really use any gel you want, but just make sure it doesn't really have a color to it, so don't use like that black gel. And then color pigments. I got these for my birthday, so I'm not 100% sure where my auntie got these, but I will look for them and I'll put them in the description box. But these are just color pigments. You can use these for anything. You can make your own eyeshadow, lip gloss, and today we're going to use gel. So I think I'm going to use the pink and the orange color because why not? And I already used the purple one. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your gel. Oh, and also make sure you have something to mix it with. I'm just using the end of this little hair dye tool, I guess you could say. And when you add the pigment, make sure you kind of add a lot and make sure it's a dark color, because it's either going to come out like light and barely pigmented, or it's going to come out dark. Make sure it's dark, because if it's dark, it's actually going to show up on your hair. And if it's like just a little bit, then it's not really going to show. It's just going to be like, oh look, I got this colored gel. No, we want it to color our hair. So I'm going to put the orange, and it's going to seem like you're going to use the whole thing, but you're not. And then we're going to use the pink, and I'll try to show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm going to mix it. Ooh, this color is pretty. And you just want to mix it until you don't see any of those color pigment flakes, you know what I'm saying? And then this is what we have after. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but here it is. And then I'm going to put it on a little piece in the back, because I got stuff I'm doing today. What piece? This one? Yeah, we'll do it on this one. Oh, that's kind of a lot of gel for one piece, though, sis. And then I'll show you guys the aftermath, like outside in the sun and all that, to where you can see it. I made a maroon one a couple weeks ago, a purple one. If I find a picture of that, I'll insert that as well. Because that one was really cute. And she accidentally put it on the other day thinking it was... I don't know why she thought she was putting on clear gel. Like, yeah. That's pretty much how you can make your own hair paint wax with low-key stuff you already have in the house. I'm sure you can do this with eyeshadow as well. So get creative, y'all. But I also wanted to take some time out to say that there are still petitions that need to be signed. So I'm going to leave those in the description box, because I don't know, I feel like people just thought that we are gonna be rallying and protesting for a week. Black Lives Matter every day, not just a week. But anywho, until next time, bye.